sarcasm in the classroom. Teachers leave them kids alone.
Hey, teacher, leave the kids alone. All in just another break in the wall. All in just another break in the wall. We don't need no education. We don't need no thought control. No dark sarcasm in the classroom. Teachers leave those kids alone. Hey, teacher,